Although HTML title seems very simple idea, but there are several important matters we should know about HTML title. But let us first know how we can add a title on a page. For example, here is a web page. It has this tag. Within the head tag, I have the title tag. Here is the starting tag, and here is the ending tag, and here we have the title. SSL color values. Let us now see where the title appears. So let us visit the file browser and let us try to open this page, HTML SSL color. So this one, let's double click. Look, here is the title, SSL color values. It is exactly same as this. Now let us discuss about what is the importance of the title. There are several factors. Here are the factors. The first factor is if you have several pages opened. For example, let us open another page, this one also. So we have two web pages opened. How to distinguish between them using the title. So a relevant title will be very useful if you have, like, let's say 7 or 8 tabs or more tabs open and you want to find your tab within those tabs. Next factor is search engine results. So page title is a crucial factor in search engine result. In case of SEO, search engines like Google use the page title as one of the key elements to understand the content of a page. A well-crafted and relevant title can help improve a page's visibility in search results. Let us discuss about the next factor, bookmarking. Let us try to bookmark a page. Let us search a page. Also, I'll discuss about the previous factor here. So if I search for time wiki, I want to find the Wikipedia page about time. So let us open the first result and let us look for the title. So here is the title, time dash Wikipedia, and we search for time wiki. So the search term is very close to the title. So this way title is very important in SEO. And the bookmarking factor, if we try to bookmark this page, it actually takes the title. Next factor is accessibility. Visually impaired users often use screen readers to navigate the web. These tools read out the page title as the user navigates through various tabs and bookmarks. So a meaningful title provides context and helps user understand the purpose of the page. The screen readers actually will read out these titles. So it is very important to have simple, concise and relevant titles. Next factor is social media sharing. If you try to share a web page in a social media, often the social media will use the page title as a highlight. This means that an engaging and descriptive title can encourage more clicks and shares. Our next final factor here I have listed is user experience. A clear and concise title sets expectations for the content of the page. It helps users understand that they can expect to find on that page, which can lead to better user engagement. So this is in short some important factors about page title. It is just not the title. There are many factors are involved with it. That's all for today. Thanks everyone.